Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the fifth question in exercise 5.3. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So first let's note the data that we know. So the first term is given as 5. So A is equal to 5. The last term L is given as 45 and the sum of AP is given is equal to 400. So what is expected out of us is to find the number of terms and the common difference. So first let's use this data of S and write that in a formula notation. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So this time I'm using this formulas because these two data are given to us. So first let's substitute this value that we know. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into A is 5, L is 45. So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. So now I can find out the value of n from this. So n is equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50. So this is going to be 8 times. So n is equal to 16. So we got the value of n. Now we need to find out what is the value of d. So in order to find the value of d, we know the value of n, we know the last term and we also know the value of a. So let us write the an formula as an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So here the last term, that is going to be 16's value is 45. So let's substitute that. 45 is equal to 5 plus, we know the value of n just now, it's 16. So 16 minus 1 is 15d. So let's subtract here. So 40 is going to be equal to 15d, or d is equal to 40 by 15. You can simply divide it in 5 tables and write in simplest form as 8 by 3. So the value of d is 8 by 3. In the next video, we will see how to solve the sixth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.